Every night, when the sun went to bed, a tiny, shiny beetle named Benny would wake up. Benny lived under a big, old oak tree in the park. He was a small beetle, but he had a big heart. One day, Benny decided to explore the world outside his home. He climbed out of his cozy hole and started to walk. He saw the tall grass, the colorful flowers, and the buzzing bees. He felt so excited, his little legs trembling with anticipation. As Benny walked further, he came across a river. It was wide and sparkling. Benny had never seen anything so beautiful before. He looked at the river, then at his tiny legs, and felt a bit scared. But he remembered his big heart and took a deep breath. Benny took a step, then another. He hopped onto a flat stone and crossed the river. On the other side, he found a beautiful meadow filled with daisies and butterflies. He felt so happy, he couldn't contain it. He danced around, flapping his wings and buzzing like a bee. Suddenly, a butterfly fluttered towards him. It was a queen butterfly named Queen Bella. She was the most beautiful butterfly in the meadow. Benny was shy and didn't know what to say. Queen Bella spoke first. "Hello, little beetle. You look lost," she said. Benny nodded, too nervous to speak. Queen Bella introduced herself and offered to show him around. Benny was thrilled and followed her. They visited a pond, where the frogs sang a lullaby. They saw a bird's nest, high up in a tree. They even found a hidden corner where the sunflowers grew tall. Benny felt so grateful for his new friend. Days turned into weeks, and Benny learned so much from Queen Bella. He learned about the different flowers, the singing birds, and even how to make a perfect butterfly dance. Benny felt his world growing bigger every day. One day, Benny realized it was time to go home. He said goodbye to Queen Bella, promising to visit again. He climbed back to his cozy hole, feeling tired but happy. He had a big adventure, and he was ready for more. Every night, when Benny woke up, he could still hear the memories of his adventure. He knew he was a small beetle, but he also knew his big heart could take him anywhere. And so, he slept, dreaming of the next big adventure waiting for him.